Well, we came to introduce our organization to His Majesty, and we also came to officially congratulate him and pledge our support like we did even before he was officially put on the throne. We were formalizing our relationship and saying to His Majesty and the royal family, we will be here on the 10th of February, and will also be here campaigning for the elections. So they shouldn't be shocked when they see the red berets on the streets. Izinduna and wezinkomo must be briefed that there is an organization called the EFF which will be going up and down in the KZN. We wanted to make sure that we strengthen our relationship with the royal family and traditional leadership and work with them closely to ensure that we deliver services to our people. So His Majesty gave us his blessings. He was so happy to see us and reminded us that the royal family and His Majesty welcome all political parties. This is a royal family, this is a royal house. Any other political party should always feel welcomed, and we understand that, and we appreciate it.